Hello YouTube fam, welcome back. Today we had got another car. This one's a 1961 or 1962 Oldsmobile F85. I want to say it's a F85. Yeah, it's an F85. It's got an aluminum block, a V8. She's automatic. It's a four-door, sadly, but you know she still looks pretty good from the side. I'm not gonna lie. She came with four lug rims. The motor is locked up. The transmission supposedly works because I mean, how else are you gonna find out unless the motor's running? But we just got new mics, as you can see. We're just testing them out right now just to see how good they work, and we're just gonna show this car, just a little walkthrough for you, just to give you a little update on what we've been getting. This one's probably not gonna stay. I've thought about doing making a mixture for y'all so I can put it into the block to see if I can get it unlocked for y'all. But more than likely, I'm probably not going to. It just depends on how many views we get on this video or how many comments we get to say to do it. But let's not keep y'all waiting any longer. Let's just take a look around. That's the V8 aluminum block or aluminum heads, one of the two. Can't remember which one it was. I did some research on it. I don't really know too much about it. Whatchamacallit. So the other day, oh yeah, here she is. So I got this dipstick from the C10 that I have parked in the back that nobody was using, and I just wanted to see. Oh, you hear that? I just want to see what it looked like in there. And I think I know why she's locked up. Either whenever they took off the intake, the water got into it, or something must have happened. But check this out. It'll clear up. Clear. I don't know if you could see that. That's like sludge. Look, watch. Yeah, there you go. See that? That means there's water in there. It's water and oil or whatever. A buddy of mine told me that we could just take off the heads if I wanted to and then put on new gaskets and see what it would do. Not that it would fix it, it would just be, you know, half-assed. If I could get the engine unlocked to do that, hopefully that's all it would have been, or maybe it got in there from whenever they took off the intake or whatever. I'm gonna keep that. So maybe it got in there whenever they took off the intake, but honestly, I don't know. I don't really want to mess with this one just because I feel like it's a waste of time. But you know me. Whenever they tell me I can't do something, what do I go and do? I go and do it. So this one, even though it looks like it's gonna be a can't do, I might try it. Close this back up. Look at that rust. Scotcha. There we go. But yeah, she's clean. Look at that. They just don't make them like this no more. Like all this chrome everywhere. These chrome pieces, I bet you would be expensive if somebody were to want them. Not that I would sell them, you know, piece by piece. I'd rather somebody take the whole car. But I mean, look at this. Look at the dome light in there. They still got the dome light. That glass is shattered. These do have windows. They're just rolled down, as you can see. They're right there. Whatchamacallit. There's the horn right there for this. Didn't have no keys. No keys, no title. No problem. You know what they say. And look at the dash right there. It's awesome, right? Looks so old. Doors open, by the way. It's not like the. It's cool. It's not like the Bel Air where they're sealed shut. And this one opens too. I guess back then they believed that teenagers could smoke at the age of whatever age, because this is back here. You think it would be in the front, or... Well, I mean, there is one in the front right there, if you can see it. Right there, there she is. But yeah, they don't make them like that no more. I like the Jaguars, how they have them right here. And then some Jags even have where you can eat. It's pretty cool. This is to the manifold, and then the distributor, the coil, wires, You already know the rest. The guy had told me that the parts were in the trunk, but with no keys. You know, how am I supposed to do that? So the trunk is pretty rusted. So all I did was go to the Bel Air and get my key, and then ruined this key fob right here. It was already rusted right here. All I did was pop this thing out. So just get my key, and then you go lefty loosey or righty tighty, whichever one. And look at how bad that is. It's crazy. But yeah, she opens. And then right here, there's got some airways for you to lose your stuff whenever you're loading whatever you're loading to move. But yeah, this is the parts to fix it. It's just a air filter and a air cover, but still got the tail lights. It's pretty cool. Close that. F85. And then there's the bumper. The bumper's in pretty rough shape, not even gonna lie. That's the exhaust. 4 lugs. The rims are pretty nice. They just need a good sanding down. I don't know if this one opens. I don't think this one does. This one opens though. Look at that dent. I wonder what happened there. A little rough on that. But yeah, she opens. TNT. But yeah, this interior is pretty clean, if I do say so myself, compared to the Bel Air, where it's all ripped up. My key. It's my key. And then there's the bumper. This bumper is pretty bad too, I ain't even gonna lie. It's mostly the grill that's pretty good. I'd probably hang up that grill in a shop if I had one. Yeah, Oldsmobile. Look at how thick. If y'all could see how thick these are, that's crazy, right? About half my finger. But yeah, that's pretty much her. The radio's still in there. I put a battery to it to see if it worked. Not the radio, but to the car. And nothing, not even lights. Like I tried putting on lights. I don't know if you need a key. I'm pretty sure you probably do. But I don't feel like going out and getting a key fob for that thing. There's the key right there where it would go. Boom. Could always hotwire it, but like I said, I really don't want to mess with this thing if I can't even get it going. The main thing was, if I did get it unloose for the next person that comes and picks this one up, at least they'd have a head start. They wouldn't have to worry about getting it unstuck. Just have to worry about redoing the heads and doing a gasket and whatnot, stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted y'all to check her out, see what y'all thought. Working on getting another car here soon for y'all. We still need to sell the Bel Air, and I'm probably gonna end up having to sell my Eclipse over there. Whatchamacallit, the timing belt, I guess it got loose or whatever, and now it's not working at all. It got loose whenever we were on the highway, so I'm pretty sure the valves got bent, and yeah, I'm not looking forward to that one. So my plan was, there's some videos that I've seen and some people that I heard that you could replace the whatchamacallit, the timing belt and the water pump, and just pray and put it right on time and everything, and pray that nothing got messed up or that you didn't lose compression or whatever. But that's a big risk, and timing belt and the water pump kit is looking at, I think it was, whatchamacallit, how much was it? I think it was like $250 to $300 for the parts, and then another $250 to $300 for the labor, because I know a guy that will do it for pretty cheap. Compared to what the shops want to charge, I'm sure it'd be like $1,000 to $1,500 easy. They want to charge me $1,000 for struts, so imagine what they want to charge me for the whatchamacallit, for the water pump and the timing belt. I can only imagine that. And then they say that they offer warranty, but I've never. Each time I tried bringing anything in for warranty at a shop, it never goes good. Never, ever, ever. But yeah, that's pretty much it, folks. This is just one of the cars that we had just gotten. Probably gonna end up getting rid of it. Just stop and go. Like, it's just coming and going pretty much. Like I said, we might end up messing with it just to get it unlocked for y'all if y'all want to see that, but if y'all don't want to see that, then we'll just get rid of it and get another one. Hopefully more cars will be coming soon. It's pretty windy right now. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, which I hope y'all can. But I want to appreciate everybody for liking and subscribing lately and how much the channel's grown. Y'all are all doing a great job, and I just want to say thank y'all for everything and giving me this chance. And I just want y'all to know I'm really having a good time, and I hope y'all are too. And that'll conclude this video. Thank you. All right, you're good.